Okay, hello HCD here, back again with another video. In this video, we are pretty much going to be showing you how to connect the, excuse me for the camera, how to connect the JBL PartyBox 300, which is this one right here, to the SkullCandy Barrel, which is the new Boombox by SkullCandy. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our computer. Make sure that it's on. Hold on real quick. Alright, our computer is on. Go down to this Bluetooth section right here. You can click on that. This is running Windows 11, by the way, and as you can see, is no Bluetooth devices connected. Now that we're gonna do, we're gonna click off of it. Okay. We're gonna click on it again. Alright. As you can see, it is a triplan currently right now. And if I turn it up, the only thing you're gonna hear is percent volume. I hear this. Okay. Keep in mind, we turned it off, then we turned it back on. As you can see, just nothing's connected. Alright. Give it about a few seconds, it should pick them up. Okay, as you can see, the SkullCandy is still in pairing. So is the Boombox. They both should stay connected. Well, this isn't saying connected, this makes a noise.
Connected.
Okay, the SkullCandy is connected. And the Boombox is being a little bit slow. There you go, both are connected. They're gonna play simultaneously. We can turn this down a little bit. And I'm going to bring the microphone up close so that everybody can hear this, or you can hear this. And that's that one. Never gonna look for SkullCandy. And in case you guys don't believe me, I'm gonna press this button right here. That's that one. Different stuff. The SkullCandy only moves if you turn the volume up. It's like the RGB light, but they're both in sync. So if I turn this up like this, and that is pretty much how you connect the JBL PartyBox 300 to the SkullCandy Barrel. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, and if you have any questions, just leave your comments down below, and I will be sure to help you out with that. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.